Belgian chocolate is well renowned for a reason, and I'm taking the iconic Belgian dark chocolate and turning it into a simple, high reward dessert, a chocolate mousse. I start by gently melting 165 grams of dark chocolate with 65 grams of butter. And 80 milliliters of cream over a double boiler. Once smooth, I bloom 1 gelatin leaf in cold water, squeeze out the excess and stir it directly into the warm chocolate mixture until completely dissolved. I whisk 3 egg yolks with 40 grams of sugar until pale and thick. In a separate bowl, I whip 3 egg whites while gradually adding 80 grams of sugar until glossy and fully dissolved. Finally, I whip about 580 milliliters of heavy cream to soft peaks. I stir my melted chocolate, warm but not hot, into my yolk mixture. I gently fold in the whipped egg white and finish by folding in the whipped cream. I keep my movements light and airy. I want to trap as much air as possible without deflating the mousse. I transfer everything into a piping bag and let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour. I forgot to drop in my star-shaped nozzle into the piping bag before filling it. So here is a quick recovery trick. Drop your nozzle into a second empty piping bag. Snip a generous opening of the tip of your fill bag and simply drop the whole fill bag inside the bag with the nozzle on. It saves the hassle and keeps things clean. For the base of my mousse, I layer fresh strawberries which are marinated for 30 minutes with a touch of chopped basil, sugar, and balsamic vinegar. Into the bottom of individual champagne cups. The acidity of the vinegar, the the freshness of the basil cuts through the richness of the dark chocolate perfectly. And I pipe the mousse right over top. If you enjoyed this recipe, consider liking and subscribing to help the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and as always, enjoy!